We'd used the kitchen because we had to, but now we use the kitchen because we want to.
Once Dream Doors had left, we looked at each other and we were like, good grief, this is a brand new kitchen. We were excited to cook because I wasn't encouraged at all by our other kitchen to be in that space. Before the change, the kitchen felt actually depressing. It was very dated, and because the kitchen is actually part of the lounge, the whole atmosphere of the kitchen spread. It was the exact opposite of how we would love a kitchen to look. The idea of repurposing the kitchen was really important. We could use what we thought was a workable layout, but make it look modern. So we explained to Gina the kind of overall look that we were after, and she was great with coming up with ideas. They came in very much saying, what do you want? What's your ideal look? We wanted it to reflect us as a couple. We feel it's one of the best parts of the house, and people often say that your kitchen is the heart of the house, and we now really feel that it is.
The idea of having a kitchen done is a mental nightmare for a lot of people, but we came away thinking, well, that was a great job. I
wouldn't hesitate to recommend Dream Doors because they are, as a company, so personable and so professional and easy to talk to. They made every single detail was covered for us. So we've told friends, relatives, if you want to look at a new kitchen, please go to Dream Doors.